Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to restore old YouTube layout and change YouTube layout. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in Chrome Web Store. And once you do that, or once it loads, all you gotta do is just simply tap on the first link or the Chrome Web Store link. And once you do that, here you'll be sent to your Chrome Web Stores. Now among the options like Discover Extensions and Themes, simply select the Extensions options. And now here on the search bar, what you need to do is type in YouTube Redux. And once you hit enter and it loads, you'll be seeing the YouTube Redux extension. Now all you gotta do is click on it, and then you'll be finding an option that says add to Chrome. Simply click on it, and here you'll be asked once again to confirm it and simply click on add extension. And once you do that, the YouTube Redux will be added to your Chrome, and once you do that, the YouTube Redux will open. Now all you gotta do is scroll down to the bottom and you'll be seeing this YouTube Redux options. Now all you gotta do is toggle it how you like, or you can just toggle the options similar to your old layout. And once you do that, all you gotta do is go ahead and load up YouTube, and your old YouTube layout will be restored. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.